Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the master code on your Orange IoT keypad lock in 2026. Now here, master code is the administration code that is used to manage the lock settings, that is used to add the user codes and make the security changes. So keeping it updated is really very important. Now, before you begin, you need to make sure that you know the current master code for your lock. Now, if your lock is brand new, the default master code typically is 1234567 8. Orange IoT requires the default master code to be changed before you can fully program other lock features. Now, once you have it ready, you just have to simply wake up the keypad and begin the master code change process. So you need to first of all enter the master code, and then you need to follow the programming sequence in order to access the administrative settings. Now, Orange IoT programming guides note that each programming step must usually completed within a few seconds, otherwise the lock exits programming mode automatically. So if you hear multiple rapid beeps or if you see red flashes, you can just simply start the process again from the beginning. Now you need to simply enter your 4 to 10 digits master code, and then you need to confirm it when it is prompted. After doing so, you need to choose the code that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Orange IoT locks do not allow simple repeating patterns or obvious number sequences for security purposes. So once the code that you have added over here is accepted, the lock should provide a confirmation signal via the lights or the beeps. So after saving the new code, you just have to simply test it immediately before closing the door, and that's how you can basically change the master code on the Orange IoT lock in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.